Welcome back to Egyptian Arabic speaking course. We have already completed lesson 1, which had 4 parts, and now we're starting lesson number 2, that's about eating and drinking. This is lesson 2.1, and it's about the words and sentences we use in a coffee house. Let's learn how to say in the coffee shop in Egyptian Arabic. For in the, we will use fill, and for coffee house, we will use cafeteria. So we will say fill cafeteria. You should remember that fi in Egyptian Arabic means in, and if we add l to it, which will be fill, this will be used instead of in the. So in the is fill. Now, how do you say tea with milk? For tea, we will use shy, shy. And for with, we use bi. And for milk, we use halib. So if you have to say tea with milk, you'll say shy bi halib. Halib is for milk and shy is for tea. Now, how do you say tea with mint? It will be shy bi nana. Shy banana. Nana is for mint. And now, for sandwich, we use sandwich. Sandwich. The word for toast is toast. V means and the word for jam is murabba. So if you have to say toast and jam, you will say toast wa murabba. Now, how will we say green tea? Shai akhtar. Shai akhtar. You need to remember that the word for coffee is ahwa. Ahwa. And for coffee house, we use cafeteria. Cafeteria. But also, we use il ahwa for coffee house. So for coffee house, we can either use il ahwa or cafeteria. Il ahwa means the cafe. You can use bidun or min ghair. Bidun or min ghair for without. So if you have to say tea without milk, you will say shai bidun halib. Or you can use shai min ghair halib. The word for coffee is ahwa. And if you have to say black coffee, which is coffee without milk, you will say ahwa bidun halib. So we'll use bidun, or you can use min ghair. Ahwa min ghair halib. That's black coffee. Now, if you're ordering coffee and you want it without sugar, you will say sada. You will say ahwa sada. That will be coffee without sugar. And if you use mazboot, that will be medium sweet. So ahwa mazboot will be coffee with medium sweetness. And for very sweet, you will use zyada. That is ahwa zyada. Let's move forward. Now we have a conversation here between a waiter and a customer. Suppose you are the customer and a waiter comes to you and asks you, تشرب إيه يا باشا. تشرب إيه يا باشا. It means, what do you want to drink, sir? Here, تشرب means to drink. تشرب means to drink. And the word for what is إيه. تشرب إيه, which means, what do you want to drink? And for sir, we use basha. So the waiter will say, تشرب إيه يا باشا. And you will reply with, أخذ قهوة بحليب من فضلك. You should remember here that the word for I will have or I will take is أخذ. أخذ. So if you want to say I will have a coffee with milk, you will say أخذ قهوة بحليب. قهوة بحليب is coffee with milk. And for please, we use من فضلك. من فضلك. So أخذ قهوة بحليب من فضلك means I will have coffee with milk, please. Now if the waiter asks you, do you want anything else? He will say حاجة تانية. حاجة تانية. It means anything else. For example, if you want a semolina cake, the word for semolina is basbousa. Basbousa. So you will say عندكم basbousa. You'll ask him if they have semolina cake. So عندكم basbousa will be, do you have semolina cake? And if the waiter replies with أيوة عندنا. أيوة means yes, and عندنا means we have. Now, if you want to say thank you, how much is the bill, please? For thank you, you will use shukran. For thank you, you will use shukran. And for how much, the word is kam. And for the bill, we will use il hisab. Il hisab. So if you have to say how much is the bill, you'll say kam il hisab. And for please, we already know it's min fadlak. And now, if the waiter replies with tisa guinea. Tisa guinea. Tisa is 9, and for pounds, we use guinea. Tisa guinea. And for please, we will use min fadlak. Now, check out these sentences here. If you have to say, I will have a black tea, for I will have, you will use أخذ. So it will be أخذ شاي بدون حليب, or أخذ شاي من غير حليب. بدون is without, and حليب is milk. حاجة تانية means anything else. There's a dish in Egypt which is called fool. It contains mashed fava beans. So if you have to ask for mashed fava beans, you will say Andukum fool. And for how much is the bill, we already learned Kam el Hisab. Kam el Hisab. Now we have some words here that we are going to learn. First is cake. Cake in Egyptian Arabic is torta. Torta. Or you can just say cake. Next is sugar. For sugar, we'll use sukkar. Sukkar. And there is another dish in Egypt which is called goulash. Goulash. It's a meat pie. We already learned about fool, and with fool, people usually eat tameya. This is tameya. They're also called falafels. So, fool with tameya is mashed fava beans and falafels. The Egyptian hookah is called shisha. Shisha. And for coal, we will use fahm. Fahm. And for ashtray, we will use tafaya. Tafaya. For cigarette, the word is cigara. Cigara is singular and the plural is sagair. Sagair. That's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.